Hi, good morning. Thank you for staying with us. Now we are at the PTC ASIA 2021. Here we are at the Ningbo Youquen Hydraulic. Let's see what kind of new product and solution they bring this time. Please stay with us.
Hi, I'm Amy, a sales manager of Ningbo Youquen Hydraulic Company. My factory produces hydraulic valves such as solenoid valves, directional valves, pressure valves, flow valves, professional valves, carriage valves. We have 12 years of hydraulic production experience. We have production capacity of 100,000 cents hydraulic valves each month. We can support top cost performers hydraulic valves. We can more than 2,000 customers from China, Germany, USA, Canada, Russia, Turkey, Iran, India, and so on. Power transmission industry is gradually developing from the original hydraulic competence, joining transmission technology to Industry 4.0 integrated system, intelligent multi-green system, and other professional transmission solutions. In my opinion, digital hydraulic will be the trend. The work or movement characteristics of digital hydraulic devices are completely quantified or digitalized, which will improve the convenience of use of the hydraulic system. Since our company started participating in PTC in 2009, we have participated 13 times, and we will get a lot of information through the exhibition every year. PTC Asia will celebrate its 13th anniversary this year. I wish PTC Asia going forward is a bright and clean sky. It will be a bright achievement in the coming year. May we work together and make progress together.